Yesterday, the famous story of the teaching of Jesus on the Beatitudes, no, the beautiful attitudes, the blessed attitudes we have, no, the value system which is opposite of what the world offers, what the world presents. The blessed attitudes. Anong attitude na to? Hinamon ko kahapon bago matapos yung misa, pag nilaya natin yung ating buhay at balikan-balikan natin lahat ng mga blessings o mga blessings in disguise na binigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Everything is grace, everything is a blessing, everything. Pati yung mga sakuna, pati yung mga misfortunes, yung sinatawag natin malas naman, ay blessing pa rin, naniniwala tayo. Blessing in disguise. Ang hamon kahapon ay balikan natin yung mga sakuna nangyari, mga unfortunate events, mga blessing in disguise. Tignan natin. Nandito tayo, nagpapasalamat, pati yung mga misfortunes na yan, makikita natin, blessing nga, di ba? And we see the hand of God only if we have the right attitude. Makikita natin ng kamay ng Diyos. Sana wag tayo maging bulag sa kamay ng Diyos. Nandito tayo kasi nakita natin ang kamay ng Diyos. Pati yung mga hindi maganda nangyari, blessing pa rin. These are signs, concrete proof in a certain sense, no? Complete signs of God's love for us. These are miracles. For those who do not believe, no miracles. Hindi po pwede. Walang himala para sa hindi naniniwala. If you believe, then we will see the hand of God. Then we will see miracles. Pero kung gagawin natin himala, bigyan mo ako ng himala, then I will believe. That is not how it works. Miracles happen only for those who believe. We will see the hand of God. We will see miracles if we believe. If we do not believe, we will not see the hand of God. So believe. Believe. Everything that has happened in our lives, believe. It is proof. It is enough proof for God's existence in our lives, in the hands of faith. Everything was allowed to happen. Lahat hinayaan ng Diyos mangyari. At dahil sa tamang attitude, dahil sa beautiful attitude, then we will see, wow, no, salamat sa Diyos kung paano siya kumilos sa ating buhay. We believe, we love because of the faith the good Lord has given us. God does not want puppets, no? Ito papatunayan ko sa iyo tapos sumunod ka we're not puppets. We follow out of free will because we are not puppets, rather we are sons and daughters of God who follow, who obey because of love. Not needing proof, no? At sana, no, yung paghihimutok, sama ng loob ni Jesus kasi napailing siya, no? Nung nakita niya, sabi niya, this generation seeks a sign, no? At parang nanghina ang loob niya in a certain sense, no? Kasi puros sign ang hinahanap, gusto himala. But that is not how it works. Believe because of God's love for us, and thank you for the faith that makes us see Jesus in our lives.